I always like to finish a dinner off with a nice dessert. And of course there's no nicer thing than chocolate. And so I'm going to make some chocolate cups. I have milk, chocolate, dark chocolate, 75% pure chocolate, and marshmallow. I personally don't like the taste of egg whites in chocolate puddings. And so I got this recipe, I can't remember where I got it from, but by using commercial marshmallows with milk, you can cut out the whole of the egg white business. So I have here a pan. I've just put some heat on it, and I'm going to put some milk into my pan. And the first task we have is to dissolve the marshmallows into the milk. And so we do that by continuously stirring, and they will begin to melt. I'm going to add these lovely chocolate button things. These are 75% chocolate, and they will give the most wonderful chocolate flavour to my chocolate cups. So there we go, chocolate's melting already. Oh, how nice. And here we go. The results of this are really quite delicious. When we've done it, we'll put them into the ramekin dishes, and they will then rest there in the fridge until they're chilled down completely, and then we'll serve them after dinner with, I don't know, a glass of champagne perhaps. Do it this way very carefully. And pour in the chocolate. There we go, one. Smells wonderful. Pity this is not smelly vision. So there we have my chocolate cups ready for serving as dessert.